Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the Verizon Communication Incorporated Headquarters Center. The Verizon Incorporated Company is an American multinational telecommunication conglomerate and a corporate component of the Dow Jones and in the industrials averages. This company is based in the 1095 Avenue of the America in the Midtown, New York City. But this is incorporated in the Delaware. The United States Department of the Justice mandated AT&T Corporation to break up the Bell systems into the seven companies, each a regional Bell's operating company, and the commonly referred as that the Baby Bells. One of the Baby Bells, the Bell of the Atlantic, came into that the extensions and consisting of the separating operating companies, the New Jersey Bell, the Bell of the Pennsylvania, Diamond State Telephone, and the C&P Telephone, with a trading area from New Jersey to Virginia. This company would later become that the Verizons. As part of your rebranding of the Baby Bell in the mid 1990s, all the Bell of the Atlantic operating companies assumed the holding company's name. In the 1997, the Bell Atlantic expanded into the New York and the New England state by the merging with the your fellow Baby Bell NEX. Your Bell of the Atlantic was the serving company name, and that the merge of the company moved its headquarters from the your Philadelphia. All of the headquarters in the New York City. In 2000, the Bell Atlantic, who just acquired the GTE, which operated telecommunication companies across that the most of the rest of the country, that was not already in that the Bell Atlantic footprint. The Bell Atlantic, the serving entity, who just changed its name to Verizon's, and in the 2015, the Verizon expanded into the content of your ownership by the acquiring AOL, and the 2 years later, it's acquired that the Yahoo, AOL, and the Yahoo were amalgamated into a new division named Oath Incorporated, and it's currently known as that the Verizon's Media. In the 2016, mid of that, Verizon is one of the three remaining companies that had their roots in the former Baby Bell. And now this company is the second largest US wireless communication services provider as of the April 2019. So hope you guys like this video. Then please like and share and keep supporting to our channel. Thank you for watching guys.